Good morning from Bay Lake Tower, December 27, 2020. We are checking out this morning and we are finally visiting the park that we've been able to watch over the last couple of days on this fantastic Christmas holiday. So let's get ready, get the suitcases in the vehicle, and head on over to the park. Yeah! Magic Kingdom Day! Woo! So as we make our way over from the Bay Lake Tower and security check and temperature check, here's the bus station. Like I said, it's a crisp morning. Yeah, and here we are. Honestly, if you're at another resort besides the Contemporary or the Grand Floridian, or I guess the Poly, buses are definitely the best way to get here. Obviously, if you're staying off site, the quickest is the boat. Monorail takes a while. As you see, no monorail has passed as we've been walking until maybe right now. There is the monorail taking a stop. Must be something going on, other ones in the station. People coming off the boat. Let's go. Let's go, monorail. Here we are at the Magic Kingdom. We'll be on the train station. Into the Main Street USA we go. Used to love those posters when I was a kid. Submarine ride was always the best because it was never working. And it's Christmas in the Magic Kingdom. There's the Christmas tree. And I guarantee there's characters above. Good morning, characters. Not waiting for the Ariel ride. That's only a 5-minute wait. We were waiting for Mine Train. Got here just before opening and it's already a 65-minute wait. So let's see how long that actually ends up being. In September, we waited 50 minutes right up there. So might be accurate. We'll find out. But literally almost every other ride in the park at opening is 5 minutes. So, see if this was a good move or bad move later on. Woo! Woohoo! Next, we got to go on the adventures of Winnie the Pooh.
East Wheel traded places with
Where should we stay?
Maybe for you. For food.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that dream.
Honey! Honey! Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo. Look, Mama, look.
not only gifted on the Glockenspiel, but players could each also sang soprano. Come out with me. Music makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me, right this way. I almost bounced right out of the ride. But have they ever loved the wolves? They steal honey. Steal honey? But in fact,
A very big waterfall.
with you in a minute, Piglet.
At last the rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray for Pooh, too.
Start the party without me.
That's so bug, but like, what did you do to me for?
This is a fire nook, right? Fire nook.
Would I go out of my way and be like,
Here, no, you guys
ever?
first.
No.
No?
Would you get more?
Fire nook. Croissant sandwich. Bacon egg, and they call them potato barrels, which are better known as tater tots. Let's try this stuff. Alright, so I finished the sandwich and the potato stuff, barrels, and I can't say that, they're tater tots. The tater tots were fantastic, the potato barrels, and the sandwich was very good. You know, it was already pre-made egg, but you add the cheese and bacon to it, and it's fantastic. Yeah. Coffee's good too. And there's Alexa. She's got. There's Brendan. There's Mom. And you can see there's no social distancing when it comes to eating in the Magic Kingdom.
That section, this is, I mean, another place on the list mine.
This is a COVID hotspot right here. Carousel's got a 30-minute wait. That's crazy. So I think we're gonna head for, what do I say, like Haunted Mansion and Peter Pan. All right. But anyway, it's a 50-minute wait here at Pirates. And because honestly, if I think I go anywhere, it's gonna be the same. So. say a 60-minute wait for Big Thunder. We've never waited on a line up here before for any ride. It's the train station. So I started about a minute, 20 and 30 seconds ago.
We're trying to get on Big Thunder.
We will.
It goes all the way back here to Splash.
This is crowded like normal Easters would be. Oh, the hour wait too. We'll see if it's an hour. Because Pirates was only 32 or 33 minutes, so we'll see what happens. Wow, they're going on the wildest ride in the wilderness. It was a 60-minute wait. And if we look here, I don't know why I'm doing laps, but we were pretty much at 23 minutes. The next car comes and I get in, we'll shut it off. This was an awesome ride. So the wait time said 60 minutes when we got on it. Then it said 75 when we entered the main entrance. And that's the time we have.
Just remove them, because this is the
Just remove them.
in the wilderness.
Woo! They locked me out of all my Disney stuff, so now I'm going to
The last one. This is our Christmas wish to all of you.
guest services. All right, so don't let your child log into your account. Disney will think it's a corrupt thing. Looking forward to seeing that in the evening. Let's catch the castle in the afternoon. Or the mega amount of balloons. It's nice out. No humidity this theater. Obviously it was cool, but still no humidity. And yeah, so you ever have a problem, guest services is amazing. They handle things so spectacularly. It's the best customer service ever. Ever. It's phenomenal. Truly is.
For the health and safety of everyone, face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn all the time, except for afternoon eating or drinking while stationary. Guests that do not comply will be asked to leave. Wash your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
I actually got the, didn't videotape it, I got the brisket. Actually, it's called the Plaza Burger. It's a cheeseburger topped with brisket. The burger was okay. The brisket was amazing. So I would highly recommend people doing that in the future. The brisket was absolutely tremendous. So anyway, now I'm gonna head over to the relaxation over by yeah! Go Jack! Jack is the man! Jack is driving the vehicle. Oh yeah! Step on it. Press hard if you can. There you go. If you want me to do it, just let me know, alright? Spinning! Whoa! Gentle, easy. They're going crazy. Woo! Right behind you. Right behind me? Alright. Woohoo! Time to go do some Dumbo, people. Dumbo, Dumbo. We never get this Dumbo. We always get that Dumbo over there. I don't think I've ever gotten this Dumbo. It's always that one. Always that one. First time this one. The wait said 30 minutes. It was like 7 minutes. So some craziness today, but overall it's turning out to be a great. Here we go. Dumbo time. Let's raise it up. Dumbo 2. Oh, it's Dumbo 1. Now we're in Dumbo 2. Dumbo 1. Oh wait, it's now Dumbo 2. And can I go higher? Whee! Now we're up. We got up. Obviously Tron being built. Contemporary back there. What a great stay, brief. The castle still. Oh, what a beautiful afternoon. December the 27th. Thanks everybody. Lift and pull. Lift and pull. I can't, mine's not moving that much. But anyway, great times. Woo! Dumbo 2. Is Barnstormer even working? Woohoo! Oh, there's Barnstormer. Come on, Barnstormer. There you go. Number 1, castle.
Looks like we're coming in for a landing, gang.
All right.
Stay seated until Dumbo comes.
Yay, Dumbo. Woo. I think we can. Backside of the castle, nicely lit. Some of the holiday decorations over there. Cinderella's royal table. I don't know how that's working without character. A nice artwork here. And a much bigger castle than the one in California, even in this regard. And it overlooks Main Street, USA. And above me, sun protection. Whoa. Awesome. Very cool seeing this. You know, people like those icicle lights. I get the savings actually. If they'd done the whole castle with the lights, that would have been good. But otherwise, I'm not so sure. Jack, look at the castle. Trust me. These are all the fireworks going on in Disney World. It's real quick. Look at the top of the castle. It's gonna change. There it goes. There's the music. Awesome. Alright, so my wife and I really would have wanted to have a lobster roll, but we've been forced to try the spicy chicken sandwich, and let's show you how it looks here. It's got the holiday Mickey Mouse on there. Now we did the Halloween burger, which had no sauce, so I'm hoping this is a little better. Otherwise, I'm going to avoid Cosmic Rays for a while. But right there, the musical stylings of Sunny Eclipse can make mediocre food slightly less mediocre. So the spicy sandwich was fantastic, very good. An excellent breaded spicy chicken sandwich, perfect. Fries are mediocre, but like I said, that sandwich was good. You could put any toppings on it. The toppings, I wish there were more of the slaw, but it was still great. And so I give a thumbs up to that one. And Jack, how was your hot dog? Was it good?
It was great.
Lex, how was your sandwich?
Immaculate, delicious, best ice cream ever.
Brendan, how was your sandwich?
8 out of 10 would recommend.
There you go.
Straight through the middle. Okay. Oh, it's raspberry. This is the inside.
Nice. Let me see the other hand.
Okay, I'm having the other one.
But we're all gonna have. We're all gonna have some.
Try this bad boy.
I wish we got more forks.
It's darn good.
We'll alternate forks.
All right, so we leave the Magic Kingdom for this December 2020 trip. First Noel place. Say goodbye to the castle. Main Street, USA. It's been a crazy day. Some problems, some tough lines, but overall successful day at the Magic Kingdom. Goodbye, Magic Kingdom. See you in 2021. So anyway, thanks for joining me. As always, have a good evening. And remember,